Another set of examples, we have 4 pi, and we have to convert this to degrees. I have degrees equals 180 degrees over pi times 4 pi. Pi and pi will cancel out. Remember, this could be fraction. 180 times 4 is equal 720 degrees over 1, which is going to be equal 720 degrees. 720 is greater than 360. So what we're supposed to do? We're supposed to subtract from 720 360 degrees. 720 degrees minus 360 degrees is equal 0.63 is equal 360 degrees. So the answer for this problem is 360 degrees. Next, I have 12.3 pi and I have to convert this to degrees. So I have degrees. Again, I'm going to use the formula. It's always keep writing the formula if you are going to keep repeating the same stuff over and over. This is going to stay in your head. So that's why I recommend write instead of look at the certain problems. So I have 180 degrees over pi times 12.3 pi. 12.3 pi. Pi and pi will cancel out, and use the calculator and calculate how much is 180 times 12.3. This is equal 2,214 degrees. Please notice that 360 degrees will go into 2,214 degrees 6 times. So what you're supposed to do? Simply subtract these 6 revolutions from this angle. 6 times 360 degrees, because we have 360 degrees going 6 times into it. That's why I'm subtracting this from it in order to find the lower equivalent angle to this one. This is going to be equal 54 degrees. And this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. I have again degrees equals 180 degrees over pi times 3 over 2 pi. Pi and pi will cancel out, and 180 is divisible by 2, and 2 is divisible by 2. That's why I'm going to reduce these two fractions. And I have 90 over 1 times 3 over 1, of course, degrees. 90 times 3 is 270 degrees over 1. 270 degrees over 1 is equal 270 degrees. 270 degrees is equivalent to 3 over 2 pi. This is the solution to my problem.